how to enable manual pairing mode for i11, TWS, and connect them to an iPhone. So these are literally one of the most difficult AirPods copy out there on the market to get into pairing mode and connect both of them together at the same time to your iPhone or any other phone. So what I'm going to do today is just show you how to force them to shut down and then get them into pairing mode manually. So let's just say you open up the case lid, you'll see these blinking lights, and then maybe one side isn't blinking, but this may cause some confusion. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and remove them out of the case. We're not going to do anything with our phone yet. Just take them out of the case. And now we are going to try and force them both to shut off. Okay. And this is going to require many tries. For some of us, we may get it on the first try or the second try. Even for me in this video, I had to try many times just to get them to shut off. And to know when they are off, they will flash in red 3 times. So we're going to long press both of them together. And what's going to happen is they should flash in red 3 times, which means they are off. But if they start blinking like this, going into pairing mode, sometimes one side goes into pairing mode, sometimes both of them goes into pairing mode. So we're just going to keep trying this, okay? So long press the touch controls, keep holding them down until they go into red, okay? So you'll count like maybe 5 seconds, sometimes up to 7 seconds. And if it doesn't do that, let it go and then try again. So I'll try again one more time. And you can see they're now just going into pairing mode, and that's not what we want to achieve here. So we'll try this again. Long press. They're still blinking. Sometimes they don't even respond. They just remain in pairing mode, and that's going to drive us crazy. So you'll see eventually I will get them to turn off. So long press once again, and they're still. So sometimes I'm trying like 1 second, 2 seconds. Sometimes I'm trying 3 seconds, maybe more than 5 seconds. So there you go. You see how they flashed in red? That's what we're trying to get here. Once you get them to do that, that means they are fully off right now. So they're off, and now we're going to go back and long press both of them together, and they will light up, and both of them will go into pairing mode, but one side will stop. There you go. So just let it go. Once they light up, they will go into pairing mode, and then one side stops and the other side remains in the pairing light mode. Okay. And basically what happens is that they sync into each other, and then one side becomes the host pairing bud. All right, or i11. So with that said and done, next we're going to go into the settings here, and we'll go into the Bluetooth settings and turn it on from there. As you turn it on, it's going to start searching for nearby devices, and this is the part where you know you're doing it right. If you see only one i11, then you are on the right track. So it should be only one i11 shows up. You'll just tap on it. It's going to run the connection process for you. It will tell you it's connected, and then if you pick them up and you see that none of them are blinking in pairing mode lights, that means they are both fully connected, sync into each other, and of course connected to your iPhone, and you have done this correctly. So again, if it doesn't work the first time, go ahead and force them to shut down and try it again. Like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications, and thanks for watching.